Hello guys, we're now at Eastleigh on the Southwestern Main Line. Here comes the 1547 Southwestern Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. In the lead. And in the middle, hey! Oh, yes it is! Look! Yes! That looks really nice! So, oh. The back one hasn't got this colour scheme on.
No, I don't think it has.
We'll see as it goes past. I'm trying to do that. Still how this is the only dog that I've seen that's like fluorescent.
Yeah.
Odd. That's so satisfying when they all close at the same time. This unit was actually smashed up by a tree once.
Sorry?
This unit was actually smashed up by a tree once. And then was out of service for quite a while. And then got repainted while it was out of service. They must have been on that one. Again, that seems to be going quite slowly out. I think there must be a problem or something ahead. Unless they're meant to go slow down there. Unless they're meant to be going slow down here. So yeah, that was really nice seeing the new colour scheme on another unit.
Yeah.
I wonder if the inside had been redone as well.
Don't know.
So, that'll be it.